Hello everyone, welcome to part 73 of Laravel 10 series, in which we are first getting the e-commerce admin panel. So in this video we are going to resolve one issue that we are facing with the roles and permission. So this is mandatory to resolve all the issues. We want to make our Laravel 10 series error free, so whenever any issue comes we are going to resolve it instantly. Okay, straight away we are going to resolve it. So I'm going to show you the issue first of all. Okay, so this issue is coming in the all roles and permission modules, so we are going to resolve it. And I'm going to open if I'm going to open any of these subadmin, okay, or I can just update the roles and permission for the subadmin. Okay, I'm going to update the roles and permission for the subadmin. Here I'm going to update, okay, view and view edit access, and categories view and view edit access, and brands full access. I'm going to click on submit, and we'll see. You can see we have given the permission to the categories and products as well, but it is not taking this permission. You can see it is not taking this permission, so there is some issue. Why it is not taking some permission? It is just taking the permissions of brands, but categories, products, CMS pages even. Okay, so these permissions are having some issues, so we are required to resolve this issue straight away. Okay, so for resolving this issue, I'm going to open the admin controller, and after opening the admin controller we are required to update the update role function here. And the code that we have written, we will not do this one. Okay, this one I'm going to comment this one. Instead of this one, I'm going to write the code inside the for each loop. Okay, this time we are going to write inside the for each loop, and here we are going to write our code. Here we are going to update the permission in the admin roles itself. Okay, we are going to update all the permission, where we are going to match with the subadmin id that we are having, going to compare with the $id. Okay, and then we are going to insert all the permissions here one by one. We are going to insert all the permissions here, first one itself, subadmin id. We are going to assign $id to it, and after that the next one, the same thing like module. Okay, in module we are going to add $key, just same thing we are going to repeat. Okay, in view access, $view, just the difference is here we have doing with the edit. Okay, last time we are just doing with the new object. Okay, so now we are doing like this. Method is different, and that will resolve our issue. Okay, $edit here, and finally full access and $full here, this one. And like this. Okay, so now we are going to check once that it will work or not. I'm going to save it, and now I'm going to refresh it, and here I'm going to again select view and view edit for products, view and view edit for categories, and view and view edit for CMS pages, and I'm going to click on submit now, and you can see now it is working fine. Now all the CMS pages, categories, and products view and edit permissions are granted, so it is working fine now. Now if I will remove some brands permission, products view permission I am going to remove, and will add full access like this, any kind of thing, any kind of permission. See, it is working fine this time. If I will remove all the permissions now, okay, so it is working perfectly, and you can see it is working fine now. If I will give full access to all modules to this Amit subadmin, and you can see it must work fine. Okay, so this time I'm going to give view permission, and we are going to check it as well. Okay, so I'm going to remove the full access and will give the view permission. Okay, so now I am going to open in Ignito window, and I want to just test this permission with the Amit ID. Okay, I'm going to check the Amit ID here. Okay, I'm going to click on some admins once again. See, Amit is having this Amit at the rate of admin.com ID, this one. So I'm going to open the login here. Okay, and here I'm going to give 1 2 3 4 5 6 only view access for all the modules. So let's see if it is working fine. And I'm going to open, see, only view access for categories, only view access for brands. See, the subadmin can't able to do edit or delete. Only view access for products. Okay, subadmin can't do anything, just view the products. And only view access for CMS pages. Subadmin can't edit or delete as the icons are not given and it is restricted. Okay, so now the issue has been resolved. You can do this minor change at your end as well to resolve this issue. And from next video we are going to do one more module in admin panel, that is mandatory. We are going to work on the banners module, one last module before starting work on the front end. The layout I have already shown you. This is the layout, this is the template, very good premium SideMakers template for the eShop template, responsive and bootstrap as well. Okay, so so here you can see these banners. We're going to work on these homepage banners. See these slider banners, these fixed banners. Okay, so this is mandatory to do one more section we are going to add, because all the banners we are going to manage from the admin panel. Okay, so these also we are going to manage from the admin panel as well, but these are we are required to do in the admin panel itself. We are working on the e-commerce admin panel, so we want to finish it with another module, so that after that we are going to start working on it on its home page. Okay, we will start working on the front end of the website for the e-commerce website. And first thing is we are going to work on this header menu, and after that we are going to make these home page banners and all. Means front part we are going to start after finishing the banners module, that we are going to start in the next video. Okay, from the next video we are going to start working on the banners section. We can make these separate banners. Okay, or that we will see. Okay, so from next video, ready for the banners module, few videos on banner module, and after that we will start working on the front end. So if you have any query, you can surely contact me. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.